Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're exploring the anatomy of OMNA's tourniquet leash. To begin with, you've got the packaging of the leash here. When you open up that package, it's got instructions and indications for tourniquet use on the inside. Okay, so you've got this as a quick reference. OMNA offers several lengths in the leash itself, from the mini boards all the way to big wave boards at 15-foot length. This happens to be a 6-foot leash. The leash itself is a 7mm polyurethane. Oops. You've got the stainless steel swivels on either end. You've got your ankle cuff, which is the tourniquet itself. A few cool things about the tourniquet. This tourniquet is actually designed for underwater and marine use. It's also designed to be used over and over. So with a lot of tourniquets, I recommend having a tourniquet for real world application and a tourniquet for training. With this one, it's designed to be used over and over for training and real world. When this thing's stowed, I'm in Minnesota. The tourniquet itself is 19 inches when it's stowed. It's 2.5 inches wide on this part of the band, 2 inches wide on the ratcheting part. When you extend it out all the way, it goes out to 38 inches, so there's plenty of room to get around a lower extremity. On this end here, you've got a spot to write the time the tourniquet was applied, so that's very useful there. You've got the nylon band on this side, Velcro on this side, moving into the 2.5 inch portion, which is non-slip material. So again, you can use this underwater in marine environment, and it's very handy, very easy to manipulate. The ratcheting buckle here, the ratchet strap itself, you've got a bite strap for one-handed application, the pull strap here to tighten down that tourniquet. That's it for OMNA's tourniquet leash. I want to thank you guys for showing up and stepping up your first aid game. I'm your guide, Billy Haley, helping you stay alive.